Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today I'm going to talk about choosing the wrong onion. Now that might sound funny, choosing the wrong onion. Now I have a Spanish white, this sweet onion, and I'm planting it, and you can see I planted it kind of heavy in there. But this, I'm down in the south where we grow short day onions if you want bulbs. But I'm planting, this is a long day onion, and I'm planting this onion because I don't want bulbs, if that makes any sense. A lot of us like table onions, but a lot of times your table onions are limited because once they get to a certain point in the season, they'll start bulbing up. And so in the south, we can actually plant a long day onion, and because our days never get to that point to where they get enough light to bulb properly, you won't get real big bulbs on them. So they make an excellent table onion for a longer period of time. So you might consider, if that's what you're looking for, you like a sweet table onion, you're not looking for a storage onion or a bulbing onion. And plus, most sweet onions do not store very long at all anyway because of sugar content. But choose the wrong onion if you're in the south. Get you one of those long day onions and plant it, and you'll have table onions longer in the season. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you'll be notified. And give this a thumbs up if you like this. And if you think it might help somebody else, well, of course, share it. Happy gardening.